grade. My name is Mrs. Ryan. I teach at McCormick and Mulberry, and I work with Mrs. Steinley and Mrs. Walker. Today we are going to work on some of the puzzles inside our Dudley's Baffling Books packet, so make sure you have that, and a pencil. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to flip my camera down. There we go. Hopefully your name is on your packet. I haven't put mine on my packet yet, so there we go. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to flip to Hide and Seek. So flip to your packet where you can find Hide and Seek. Now it's important to use a pencil because sometimes we are going to make mistakes, and that's okay. Mistakes help us learn. I'm going to use this erasable pen so that way it's darker and you can see it on our video. Let's go ahead and get started. Hide and Seek. At Dudley the Detective's birthday party, 4 of his friends from Crystal Pond Woods decided to play hide and seek. Use this logic elimination grid to unravel the clues and find each of Dudley's friends as quickly as he did. So on this logic elimination grid, you'll see it's pretty empty. So hopefully our clues down at the bottom will help us fill some of those blanks. Let's look at our first clue. The 4 friends were Jordan the Judge, Max the Magician, and Yolanda the Yarn Spinner, and also Isabel the Inventor. Well, those are the 4 friends who are hiding. So we want to write those names on these blank lines right here. So let's start with Jordan. And then we have Max, Yolanda, and Isabel. If you need to pause this video so you have time to write those names in, go ahead and pause it now. Since we completed the first clue, I'm going to cross that off. We did that one. Let's look at the second clue. The hiding places included in the bedroom, so in the bedroom, under the porch, in the kitchen, and behind the tree. So those are our 4 places where the friends could be hiding. So let's go ahead and write those on this top section of our grid. We have bedroom, under porch, in the kitchen, and behind the tree. Behind tree. I write kind of fast, so remember, you can always pause it so you can get down bedroom, under porch, in kitchen, and behind tree. So now, since we completed the second clue, I'm going to cross that off. Let's look at the third clue. Jordan did not hide in the bedroom. Jordan did not hide in the bedroom. So I know that Jordan is not in the bedroom. So I'm going to put an X there. I know that can't be the case. Jordan is definitely not in the bedroom. So I can cross that off. Boop, boop. Number 4. Isabel was not under the porch when Dudley went to look. So Isabel was not under the porch. So that means that Isabel was not here. She was not under the porch. Let's look at clue number 4. Oh, that was number 4. I'm silly. Let's look at clue number 5. The friend in the kitchen was not a divergent thinker. That's worded oddly, right? That's a little tricky. The friend in the kitchen, so whoever was in this kitchen right here, was not a divergent thinker. So that means we need to look and see who are the divergent thinkers. Well, we have our squirrel friend right here, Isabel. She's a divergent thinker. And then we have Yolanda right here. She's also a divergent thinker. That means that Jordan and Max here, I circled them, they are not divergent thinkers. And the clue says a friend in the kitchen was not a divergent thinker. So that means we know that Yolanda could not have been in the kitchen, and neither could Isabel. Uh-oh, my pen's drying out. There we go. That one was a little tricky. That one was a little tricky. Let's cross off clue 5. We only have one clue left. It says, Isabel asked the friend under the porch if she could see Isabel's tail sticking out between the leaves. Ooh, this one has a lot going on in it, a lot of little clues. Isabel asked the friend under the porch if she, so whoever is under the porch is a she. And it can't be Isabel because that is who's talking to the friend who's under the porch. So if it's not Isabel, the only other female we have, the only other female friend is Yolanda. So that means that Yolanda must be under the porch. That means that Yolanda is not in the bedroom and not behind the tree. Actually, I'm going to go with check marks. You might like circles, but I'm going to go with check marks. Then Isabel asked the friend under the porch if she could see Isabel's tail sticking out between the leaves. That means that Isabel must be hiding behind the tree because there's leaves. So Isabel must be behind the tree. That means that Isabel is not in the bedroom. Well, uh-oh. We only know where 2 of our friends are. How are we going to figure this out? Well, let's go ahead and mark off that no one else can be under the porch because that's where Yolanda is. So let's cross those off. We also know that no one else can be behind the tree. So let's cross those off. That means there's only one place left for Jordan, and that's in the kitchen. So I put a check mark there. That means that Max can't be hiding in the kitchen. So where does Max have to be hiding? In the bedroom. Check mark. So we have Max hiding in the bedroom. We have Yolanda hiding under the porch. We have Jordan in the kitchen. And behind the tree, we have Isabel. We did it. We figured out hide and seek. Bye, everyone.